Hey guys, this is Kevin from JazTime.com, and today I'll just be doing a quick comparison between the two Sky-Dweller watches that were recently released at the Bezel World 2017 show. We'll be going over just very quickly the prices and just the general overview of the watches. So here on my left we have the stainless steel version of the Sky-Dweller, which is the 326934, and that's the stainless steel version. And on my right here we have the two-tone version, reference number 326933. So just the last number of the model number changed out. Okay, so for the pricing, as of January 2018, you can get the stainless steel version from a Rolex authorized retailer for $14,400 plus tax. And for the two-tone version, you can get it for $17,150 plus tax. Of course, here at JazTime.com, we always have the lowest prices anywhere online, so give our website a quick check before you move on. Alright, so specifically for the dial colors, we have the blue dial for the stainless steel version and champagne dial for the two-tone, and those are exclusively of their model. So the blue only comes in the stainless steel version and the champagne only comes in the two-tone versions. However, if you don't like either of those colors, you can get them in either black or white dials instead. So the main difference between those two watches, of course, is just where the yellow gold is located. So for the index markers and the index markers, hour hand, minute hand, seconds hand, those are all fashioned in 18 karat white gold in the stainless steel version. For the two-tone, we have yellow gold for the index markers, the hands, and the seconds hand. The Rolex crown logo at the 12 o'clock position, white gold for the stainless steel version, yellow gold for the two-tone version. Bezel, as you can see already with big difference, is just white gold on the stainless steel, yellow gold on the two-tone. The crowns are changed as well. You can see the difference in the crown. For the bracelets, both oyster bracelets, nice high polish down the center of the three-piece links. For the stainless steel version, it is fully stainless steel for the bracelet, and for the two-tone, we're seeing a yellow gold down in the middle of the bracelet. Same could be said about the clasp. You see the patterning throughout and to the underside of the bracelet as well. Alright, so that's pretty much it on where the differences in the gold lie. So 18 karat white gold for hour markers, minute hands, second hands, the bezel, and that's pretty much where all the white gold is located for the stainless steel version. Two-tone has yellow gold on the bezel, hour markers, hour hand, minute, and seconds hand. The crown also yellow gold, stainless steel for the stainless steel version, and for the bracelet, high polish down the center, stainless steel for stainless steel version, and 18 karat yellow gold for the two-tone version. Okay, so if you're interested in any of these models for the lowest possible price, check out our website, JazTime.com. With the lowest prices guaranteed, we offer a 1-year warranty. And if you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video. Click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.